Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 17 and its battery drain. iOS 17.0.3 is the latest version that you guys are running right now. iOS 17.1 is on the way. iOS 17.1 will be out for public really soon, but there is a bad news that I have for you guys, that is the iOS 17.1 is not good in terms of battery as well. So if you are wondering that iOS 17.1 will fix the battery drain of iOS 17, no, it will not. But guess what? I have a good news for you. What will fix battery drain to a certain extent for you is the things that I'm going to discuss in this video. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hyped. Let's get right in today's video without wasting any more time and talk about what all things you can do in order to prevent your battery getting drained really fast. Obviously, you can't fix the battery drain completely because iOS 17 itself uses a lot of battery for some reason, but here are some tips and tricks that you can follow in order to get the most battery out of your iPhone. Alright, so starting up with the number one thing, that is restarting your iPhone once in a week. What restarting does is it refreshes and it makes sure that everything on your iPhone is working well. And obviously restarting refreshes your iPhone, so it is just good for your iPhone's health in general. Make sure to restart your iPhone once in a week at least. Then the next thing that a lot of people make mistake about is using low power mode all the time. Yes, low power mode, as the name suggests, does the good thing and uses low power of your iPhone, but it does not play a big role when your battery is above 50%. Whenever you will use low power mode and it is above 50%, low power mode will not be that much useful for you. For some reason, Apple has just programmed it that way that even if you will enable the low power mode, it will not be that much effective as it will be when you are below 50%. Then the next thing is try using your iPhone on 4G. What I mean by this is keep it on 5G auto. Does the good thing, I mean it connects to 5G when it is possible, but on the most part 4G is more than enough and 5G is not really available in most of the areas. So when you have it on 5G or 5G auto, it is constantly looking for 5G connections, and whenever it will find one, even at a lower speed than 4G, it will end up connecting to the 5G network rather than 4G. And obviously 5G uses noticeably more battery of your iPhone, and not to forget, your iPhone continuously searching for 5G. On and on, it will end up draining a lot of your battery. Then the next thing is always on display. Use the always on display without the wallpaper feature. Okay, got it. The wallpaper feature looks really amazing and all, but the wallpaper when you have always on display on iPhone 15 Pro, 14 Pros, that does drain a lot of your battery. So make sure if you have always on display on, just go in the always on display section and turn off show wallpaper. Then the next thing is go in location, and after going in location, make sure to enable the location of only those apps that you want to share your location with. For example, in my phone, I do not use to show or share my location on Snapchat, but then also whenever I use Snapchat, it continuously accesses the location services of my phone regardless I am using the location feature of Snapchat or not. So things like that, go in location and make sure that you have turned on location of apps that are required by you, or even if it is required, make sure to put it on allow while I'm using the app. Well, that's pretty much it for today's quick little episode. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is me, Jay, aka Tech Hyped. This was a quick short little episode for you guys to talk about the battery drain issues and some tips and tricks that works for me in order to get better battery life on my iPhone. The iOS 17.1 videos are also coming up really soon, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on notification, and I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.